Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Knowledge. In this video, we will discuss what is machine learning and what exactly is Scikit-Learn all about and why is it so important from the point of view of machine learning. We'll also see how to install it properly and get going. First things first, let's see briefly what machine learning actually is. Without going into formal textbook definition, in very simple terms, one can say that if performance of doing a particular task is improving with experience, then we can say that the machine or the model is learning. So there would be some task and we'll see how good the task is being done. And this is done by measuring the performance. If we see that the performance is increasing and getting better with experience, then we can say that our program or our machine is learning. Mainly there are three types of machine learning, or we can say that all machine learning algorithms basically fall under these three categories. First one is supervised learning, second unsupervised learning, and the third one be reinforcement learning. In case of supervised learning, the correct label or answer is provided with data. As a classical example, size of houses are given with prices. After feeding this data, the program will learn and build up a hypothesis or model, and then we will give a new size, and the model will predict how much price should be based on the training data. That is the data we fed earlier. In supervised learning, no labels are provided. Instead, based on the similarity in data, it creates groups by itself. If you have visited Google News before, then you must have noticed that a particular piece of news covered by several websites are grouped under one section. These are not just grouped, these are rather clustered in one section. This can be one example of unsupervised learning. In case of reinforcement learning, there is an agent and he has to fulfill an objective or a reward. This objective can be winning a game or beating an opponent. So the agent has to decide which step it needs to take or which option it needs to be selected out of the various available options. Based on the choice, he gets either an award or a penalty. Also, selecting a choice opens up new possibilities. So you have to choose one state out of the many states available, and this choice has to be made while keeping in view that the reward is to be maximized. If you Google about the most popular programming languages for machine learning and data science, you'll find out that Python tops the list. And it would be great to know that Scikit-Learn is one of the most popular libraries to implement machine learning algorithms. It is easy, it is clean, and has a lot of efficient tools and features for classification, regression, clustering, and so on. It is built on NumPy, SciPy, and JobLib, but it is also recommended to install Matplotlib with it because Matplotlib is an excellent plotting library and makes the data visualizations very easy. Let's move ahead to Python and see how to install the Scikit-Learn library. We are assuming that you have installed the latest version of Python and set path and all the other variables correctly. Now let's type import sklearn. As you can see, an error has been shown by Python that the module has not been found. That means it has not been installed yet. So let's head over to the command prompt and install it using the pip command. I have opened command prompt and here goes our first command. So we have to install some libraries which are NumPy, SciPy, JobLib and Matplotlib. To install them, we will type pip install NumPy. As we have pressed enter, you can see the process has begun and it will be installed in a very short period of time. In a similar fashion, we will write pip install followed by the name of the library which we wish to install. For example, SciPy or Matplotlib or joblib or sklearn. After pressing the enter key, the library will get installed, and after that we can import it in Python and use it accordingly. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. This is Abhishek Singh, and do leave your thoughts as comments below. Also check out other amazing videos and playlists by Programming Knowledge. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.